In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate sheets in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll be able to quickly clone an existing sheet so you can reuse the same structure, formulas, and assets without rebuilding anything from scratch. Start by opening Smartsheet and signing into your account. Once you're in, head to the Home tab. This is where all your folders, workspaces, and sheets are organized. Find the sheet you want to duplicate. If you've got a lot of items, the search bar at the top can help you locate it quickly. When you found the sheet, open its options. You can do this by right-clicking the sheet name or by clicking the three-dot menu that appears to the right of the sheet. From that menu, choose Save as New. This tells Smartsheet you want to create a brand new copy. When prompted, make sure the item type is set to Sheet, so you're duplicating the entire sheet rather than creating a report or template. Before you finalize it, you'll see Copy options. Give your duplicated sheet a clear new name so it's easy to identify. Many people add a date, version number, or project identifier. Then choose what you want to copy. Cell data will bring over your values and formulas. Attachments will include any files that were added to rows. Comments preserve the conversation history and context. Cell links will keep connections to other sheets. If you want a completely independent sheet with no external links, leave that unchecked. Finally, pick the destination workspace or folder where the new sheet should live, so your team can find it easily. Quick note, if you need Smartsheet, I've placed the official website link along with download options right at the top of the description for easy access. When everything looks good, click OK. Smartsheet will create an exact copy based on the options you selected. For larger sheets with lots of attachments or links, give it a moment to process. Open your duplicated sheet to verify everything. You'll see the same columns, formatting, and, if you chose to copy them, the same data, attachments, comments, and links. Now you can make changes freely without affecting the original version. This is perfect for new project cycles, repeating workflows, or standardized templates you reuse often. If you copied formulas, double-check any date ranges, references, or summary fields to ensure they fit this new use case. And that's it. Duplicating sheets in Smartsheet is a fast way to reuse layouts, workflows, and project structures without starting from scratch. Thanks for watching.